What's going on? Today I'm going to be talking about how to use Claude Code in Excel to get endless opportunities of financial data modeling and everything you want in Excel. We're going to start off by using some financial modeling, some data analysis, some data cleaning and formal debugging. Excel have never been easier using Claude Code. Let's get started straight away. So basically Claude Code can now be integrated into Excel. You can see Excel here on the right side. So you have a button here on the top right. It says Claude. All you have to do is go extensions and Google Claude Excel, and then you will get to Microsoft Store and it will be able to download. And right now I asked create some mockup data for financial modeling for YouTube video. I misspelled it a little bit, but it understood what I meant. And then it asked me some questions of like 3 years or how many years do you want. So you can basically select the cells that you want. Then here it will say the cells that you are selected. So right now it's building the mockup data for me, and all I did was asked to do it. I didn't do anything else. And as you can see here on the right, it's done, but it asked for some permission. So you can deny this or allow once or allow always. For the sake of the video, I'm going to say allow always. And look here on the left side, you have some data that we can use. Let me just drag myself here. And this is really cool. It made this in just like less than a minute. It's really cool. And this is some mock data, as it says right here. But you also could do this for existing companies, so like Apple or anything else, to do some investment analysis. You know, here on the right, it's really insane. It says EBITDA here, and the EBIT and pre-tax and net income, and you know, you could just also ask questions about this. So you can ask right here on the right. And we can just select the data, and we can ask, hey Claude, based on this data, is this company healthy in the industrial standards for tech companies in this SaaS? And then you will think about it. It's going to read through the P&L, and then you know it will give you the strengths and the weaknesses of the company, the revenue retention, and all these important things that are metrics, and also watch areas. It's really insane. You know, investment banking is just gonna be crazy different right now, because the jobs that require you know, desktop jobs, they are really, you know, just this, like analyzing data, and this is going to be just really more easier and more efficient right now. Here it's going to give a rating on strong, healthy, and concern and watch right here. So yeah, it's really insane what you can do already. So what it also can do on the right side, you can see here that it can clear the data. So you can just like select the cells, and then it will clear the data for you. Now what I also did, I have a reference that doesn't make sense. So it's a reference that's like wrong. So what I'm going to do is select these and then say, please fix the hashtag ref error. So what Claude also can do really well, it's fixing errors, and also yeah, that asks what it's supposed to be, and then I'm gonna say yes, add it all together, and then it's gonna do some reminiscing, and it's gonna, as you can see, it's fixed the error. So yeah, that's also one of the powerful things you can do with Claude Code in Excel. One more thing that you can do is I'm gonna say right here, I selected these cells. Let me just drag myself, if I can do it. And then I'm gonna say, hey Claude, I want you to take the selected cells and take this data from Yahoo Finance and add the KPIs in there. You can use this link. And then after, I'm gonna provide the Yahoo Finance link, and I want Claude Code to get the want to pull the data from pull it from the official IRR page. That's fine. And then I wanted to put the KPIs in there to indicate if it's a good company to buy, if it's undervalued, whether it's overvalued. As you can see right now, it's going to look the 10K on the SEC, the Q4 earnings. I mean, this is not the most recent data, but I mean, it's good for an example to see what is the capabilities of Claude Code. You know, Claude Code it's crazy advancements right now. It's going like every week. You keep having new advancements, you keep having new things. So you do want to make sure you're gonna be updated on the capabilities of Claude Code, because it's insane how much they can do. Anthropic is investing in a lot of people. I even saw that they got some new people from OpenAI, and they hired them, and now they're working for Anthropic. So let's see what we get there. You know, it's already saying like the sheet is blank, and now it will fill in the data, and it just can get the data from from the SEC. You used to have to go one by one filling each field, and I also think like white label work, like people that have desktop jobs, this is going to be like for the same thing as we saw with Microsoft Copilot, is that it's going to be insanely great on how the advancements is going to be, on how you can like cooperate and can basically do the same work as 10 people. But yeah, you just have to like type what you want. You do need to have the end goal very good in mind, so you can guide the AI on where you want to be. But yeah, it's just amazing what it can do. And as you can see, it just finished, guys. Yeah, just insane financial KPIs. There you have the net sales, the net sales gross margin, R&D research and development. Yeah, it's all there. And it also gives here like a disclaimer. It's really nice. So yeah, that's basically some things you can do with Claude Code. Basically anything you can just ask it, as you would do normally with Excel. But now you can just like ask it. And again, and if you want to know the shortcut for it, I do Ctrl+A+Alt+C, and then it will pop up here on the right side. So please leave a like and subscribe if you found this useful. Also hit the bell notification so you won't miss any valuable information that you can implement in your work right now to become way more productive. So, and don't forget to watch my other videos and sign up for the newsletter down below and send a LinkedIn request to me. Have a great day. Bye bye.